My name is Shari with the Adult Brain Injury Program. My area is Region G, which covers St. Louis City, County, and St. Charles County. Participants in the Adult Brain Injury Program have access to service coordination, which is help with locating resources in their area as well as advocacy. And they also can qualify for paid services, which is in place to help them ensure a successful independent life. I recently assisted one of my participants in regaining his independence. When I enrolled him last year, his main goal was to get rid of his court-appointed public guardian so he could get rid of his apartment and be able to move in with his girlfriend. Upon enrollment, we completed a neuropsych evaluation to kind of highlight the strengths and weaknesses he had and to outline areas that he could work on and improve in. Upon reviewing this neuropsych evaluation, the public administrator was okay with my participant getting rid of his apartment and moving in with his girlfriend at the time. Shortly after, he and his girlfriend got engaged, and he was very adamant that he be able to get married and move forward with his life as independently as he possibly could. So myself, along with Missouri Protection Advocacy, went forward with a plan to try to hook him up with providers to get supports in place so we could prove to a judge that my participant would be successful regardless of having a court-appointed guardian or not. So we worked with my participant and the provider to get supports in place. We have an in-home provider that comes out to his home weekly now and works on goal-oriented tasks, organization, planning, getting back out into the community and reintroducing himself to local spots that he used to like to enjoy prior to his brain injury. And we also got him set up with an adjustment counselor to kind of get used to how life is going to be on his own now without having someone constantly dictating to him what he was going to do or needed to do or where he needed to be or the things that he needed to take part in. So with the supports in place that we had, we were able to go to the judge, and the judge had no issue with relinquishing guardianship back to my participant. So I'm happy to say that he just finally was able to get married this past weekend to his fiance. It's been a year's work in progress, but it has been so rewarding. It's had its ups and downs. We've faced a lot of obstacles, lack of providers that just don't take the time to understand. But with my participant and Missouri Protection Advocacy, as well as myself, we went forward to these providers and laid out the situation, our goals, what we wanted for the participant, what his goals were, and what he ultimately wanted, and we got there. It was a process, but we got there, and he's so happy. I'm so happy. And situations like this, it's what makes it worth it. There's so few success stories in the world of brain injury. A lot of times people just get shoved away and forgotten, set up with supports and left alone to deal with it. But he wanted more and I wanted more, and together we got him there.